Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and remember, if I use it, I'll review it. So today we'll be unboxing the Fruitypods and I'll be showing you how to set them up as well. So the Fruitypods are a set of Bluetooth earphones that come in a variety of colours. And I like that because it allows you to choose your own style. You have that flexibility of choosing whichever colour that you want, so you're not just stuck with one look. So let's get into the unboxing. It comes in a really simple packaging. All you have to do is pull the box apart and you can see the Fruitypods straight away. So take that out and put it to the side for a second. The next thing you need to do is remove the plastic compartment and you can see the charging cables right there. First things first, make sure you charge your Fruitypods for an hour before you use it or set it up. And the great thing is, once it's fully charged, you can use the pods to charge the Fruitypods 4 times. So that means if you're out and about, when you're not using your earphones, you can just put it on charge and you're confident that you'll get a full charge 4 times. And you can also be confident with your device choices because they don't just connect to phones, they actually connect to tablets as well. So let's get into that aspect. How do you connect these? Well, it's really simple. Simply open the pods, take out the earphones, you'll see that it's flashing. Allow them to connect with each other, it only takes about a second for that to happen. Next, go into your device's Bluetooth settings, select Fruitypods, and you're good to go. You've paired with both devices and your earphones are ready for use. So before I move into all the controls, it's really easy to power this off and on. Just hold it for 5 seconds and they'll power off, hold it for 5 seconds and they'll power on. So let's just say it's connected to your phone for now and you're playing some music. To pause the music, simply tap once and it'll pause, tap again and it'll play. If you press and hold for a second, you pop up your virtual assistant. So Siri or Google Assistant, it'll just pop up. So going back to the music, if you want to control your music, so skipping to the next track or going back to the previous track, all you need to do is tap twice on the left or right earphone and you'll just be able to control your music. By tapping 3 times, you'll be able to control your volume, so using the same principle of going up and down, tap 3 times on the right hand side or the left hand side. It works really well. And if we move into controlling calls, all you need to do is tap once to answer an incoming call, tap again to hang up, and if you're getting an incoming call but you don't want to pick it up, just press and hold for a second and it'll reject that call. So that's pretty much it for the Fruitypods. As first impressions go, I like the matte texture and I like the sound quality when I'm playing the music. I also like that it gives you some noise cancellation, so you're not getting all the incoming sound from outside. It's a nice pair of earphones that come at a good price, and I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can get your hands on a pair of these. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have, remember to like and subscribe and visit the website to get some merch.